Morning, ma'am. I'm fine. Thank you.
I am fine, thank you. Did you have a good weekend?
Of course, ma'am.
Before we start the class, I want to check all your present. So, when I call you one by one, please scream, "Here, ma'am."
Yes, ma'am.
Let's start with Lala,
Yes, ma'am.
Ita.
Here, ma'am.
Now, let's begin the lesson. Yesterday we learned about triangle. Have you finished your homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Lala, can you help me to collect the assignment?
For sure, ma'am. Here it is.
Thank you, Lala. Okay. Today we learn about new topic. But before that, I wanna ask you a question. So please listen it carefully. Is everyone ready?
Sure, ma'am.
One day, there is a boy in the classroom, and he want to go to the canteen. The classroom located in northwest of the field, and the canteen located in the southeast of the field. So, the question is, the shortest way to go to the canteen is? So, if you know the answer, can you please raise your hand? The answer is,
Please me if I wrong to answer your question. I will try my best. I think he should walk around the field.
it's okay. Thank you for answering the question. But I'm sorry, the answer isn't right. How about you?
I'm sorry, ma'am. I don't understand about this topic. I think maybe we should go through the corridor of the class.
Okay, to make this thing easily, we can use mathematics by using Pythagoras theorem, and we will learn it today. So, Pythagoras is a famous Greek mathematician and philosopher who worshipped number and lived like monks. Okay, today we will learn about Pythagorean theorem and the right triangle. The area of the square whose side is the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the areas the square whose sides are the two legs, the two sides that meet at the right angle. Now we will draw a triangle. Like this, a right triangle. And then we can put C to be the length of the hypotenusa, and we can put A and B to be the length of the other two sides. And using Pythagorean theorem can be expressed a square of C equals a square of A plus a square of B, like this. From the story of the boy, we can apply the Pythagorean theorem to be able to walk the shorter way to go to the canteen. Okay, this is the illustration and I will explain it. So, the west of the corridor is 30 meters and the south of the corridor is 40 meters, and the south ways that the boys can pass to the canteen, we can use Pythagorean theorem. Okay? The answer is, if A is 40 meters and B for 30 meters, we can use Pythagorean theorem. And then we can put the number to this formula. So the answer is 50 meters. Like that.
Oh, I got it.
So far, any question?
How can the distance of the application of Pythagorean theorem can be shorter way than walking in the corridor classroom?
A good questions. Let's discuss together.
Yes, ma'am. I'm so
very
excited.
So, do you still remember the comparative materials in mathematics?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we can try to compare it. When the boy walks through the corridor, how distance he walks? Does anyone know?
I think that is a sum of 30 and 40. So the distance of the boy walked through into the corridor is 70.
So we can conclude that by applying the Pythagorean theorem, the distance will be shorter. Any more questions?
No.
If there nothing else to ask, we can end the class this afternoon and I'll give you homework. So open the book to exercise A, page 1, 2, 3. Okay, good afternoon class.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.